Hey, Mr. Ferrante here, back with problem number 2. I'm going to help you set this up, but you're going to have to solve it on your own. So first, let's look for some things we can simplify on the left-hand side here. Do you see any zero pairs? Nothing in this region. No zero pairs here. No zero pairs anywhere. So we don't have any zero pairs. All right, next question. Do we have the same weight on both sides? And we do. We've got, for example, there's two positives on this side. Well, we can cancel out two positives on this side because 2 pounds from one side of the scale can cancel with 2 pounds from the other side of the scale. So that's okay. And same down here, we've got three positive ones. One, two, three. Those can cancel with one, two, three from this side. And at this point, we could do some more simplifying. Like, for example, I could cancel this positive x with that one, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to write the equation that we have so far, because it's going to go somewhere and illustrate concepts that are needed for solving equations with algebra. So I'm going to write the equation at this point. Actually, in fact, go ahead and pause the video on your own. You write the equation that's left over. So please pause the video, and I'll see you in a minute or two once you write your own equation. All right, hey, welcome back. I sure hope you took the time to write down the equation yourself. Otherwise, if you didn't do that, two questions. Either you're still really lost, which if that's fine, then come in and get help during 7th period after school tutorial and I'll help you. Otherwise, you're just being lazy. You got to stop when I say pause, do your best effort. If it's wrong, it's fine, but you got to stop and try yourself first. So I'm assuming you did that. If you didn't, go back and pause the video and come back. All right, here we go. So left over, we have 1, 2, 3 x's on the top of in the top region. Then in the opposite world, we have a positive x. So I'm going to put in the opposite world, we have just a single positive x. Check. Then all this stuff equals the other side, which on the other side, in the top region, we have two negative x's, so minus 2x. And we have 1, 2, 3 positive tiles, so plus 3. And then in the negative world, we change to red, minus some stuff. And the stuff we have is two negative x's. So we have negative 2x in the opposite world. So negative 2x. All right, check. I'm going to leave you to do this part over here. For example, you can cancel out an x and an x. I'm going to leave that part to you. For the equations, let's make our first step to be distribute the negative sign. So this negative, we have to distribute it and do the opposite of whatever's inside. So 3x just gets brought down, but then the opposite of a positive x is a negative x. And then on the other side, we've got equals negative 2x can just be brought straight down. The plus 3, bring that straight down. But here, let's distribute. What's the opposite of negative 2x? Well, the opposite of a negative is positive, so this changes a negative 2x into positive 2x. Check. Then from here, I'm going to let you solve on your own. My hint is first combine terms. 3x's minus 1x leaves you with a certain amount of x's. Go ahead and put that here. On this side, you can combine what's negative 2 zebras, or whatever you want, plus 2 zebras. You know, negative 2 of anything plus 2 is something special. That's a zero pair. So then write down what's left over on this side and finish solving that on your own. All right, that's it for problem number 2. And the rest, well, I'll let you do in class and I'll check your answers then. All right, have a great night.